Osasu. It's about to becoming too much.
I beg now. Only wait till I ask of you now. Make you allow me love you. You don't really need to love me back. Give me the kiss to your heart. I not go lost time. I love you.
Look, I don't mean to be disrespectful. Okay. We are not of the same class. Look now.
Then what?
I know say I not really be your kind of man. But I go try, I go meet up. I beg now.
You got the point now.
Okay. What is your love language?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Edo.
See what I'm saying? We are not of the same level. Like, we can't. Come on.
You know me now. Edo, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Edo. All of us don't be one.
Jesus!
I beg now.
Jesus.
Okay, you know what? My cream is finished. I want to buy my soap and my cream. And it's about 150,000 naira.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll send you the name. You buy it and bring it for me tomorrow. When you bring it, I promise you, I'll be all yours, okay?
I go rip you.
Bye.
Now the soap we say make I buy for you be this.
Thank you so much, Osasu. I'll date you.
Thank you. Happy dad. And I just 400 naira.
Hey, more than next one.